Good morning, dear students. Today we shall begin a new chapter number 7, Unitary method. So this is the method of ones. We can say it as method of ones also. So here I have given you some drawings. One pencil costs rupees 5. So the same pencil, this also rupees 5. This is also rupees 5. For this also rupees 5. For this rupees 5 we have to pay. So to buy such 5 pencils, how much do we have to pay? So this is rupees, for this rupees 5, for this rupees 5, same way for this rupees 5, for this rupees 5, for this rupees 5. How many 5s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know that multiplication is repetitive addition. So we are adding 5 5s. 5 5s. So this is 5 into rupees 5 is rupees 25. If we pay rupees 25, we get same kind of pencil whose the price of one pencil is 5 rupees. So if we want to buy 5 pencils, so we have to pay 25 rupees. Now we will think the other way. We are going to think it in other way. If we buy 5 pencils in rupees 25, how much does it cost for one pencil? It means if 5 pencil cost 25 rupees, same kind of pencil, what will be the price of one pencil? So it is unitary. That means the method of ones. We have to find the price of one pencil. What we have to do? The price of 5 pencils, if we divide by number of pencils, that is 5, we get the cost of one pencil. So we know that 25 is 5 into 5. So what equal to 25? 5 pencils are there, so cost of one pencil is rupees 5. Or you can say, you can divide as I have taught you. Divide this 5 into 5, rupees 5 equal to rupees 5. This way you have to do. So I shall explain it with some examples. You will understand it better way. Activity 1, question number 1. It takes 77 minutes to fill 11 buckets of water. How much time will take it to fill 7 such buckets? How to solve this type of question? You write, it takes or we write to fill 11 buckets, 77 minutes needed. like this. Therefore, to fill one bucket, how much time it will need? This 77 divided by 11. So 77 minutes divided by 11. In your rough work area, you have to do the calculation. This is 7 times 11 into 7, 77, 0. So it is equal to 7 minutes. So to fill one bucket, it takes 7 minutes. Therefore, to fill 7 buckets, 7 such buckets, it needs what? Number of buckets into 7 minutes. That is time to fill one bucket. So what is the answer? You should write 7 into 7 is 49 minutes. 49 is the answer. So this way you have to do. You have to write some sentences also, as this is a statement sum. I will explain with one more example. I am taking some examples from a review exercise, page number 70. Page number 70, you note it down. Page number 70. The first question, there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. How many minutes are there in 24 hours? So in 1 hour, solution is in 1 hour. How many minutes? 60 minutes. How much, for how many hours we have to find? For 24 hours. 1 hour is given. For 1 hour we have 60 minutes. We have to find the number of minutes in 24 hours. Therefore, in 24 hours, what we have to do? 60 minutes into 24 hours. So here we have started with 1. Here I am writing a greater number than 1. When it is a greater number, you have to multiply. 60 minutes into 24 hours. You are multiplying this when it is a greater number than this. So in our rough work, 60 into 24, 4 zeros are 0, 4 into 6 is 24, 2 0, 0, 2 into 6 is 12, 0, 4, 4, 1. So it is equal to 1440 minutes. This is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2. 4 boats can carry 64 people. How many people can be carried in 9 such boats? So you write 4 boats carry 64 people. Therefore, 1 boat carries equal to 64 64 by 4 people. Here it is a greater number, it is a smaller number, so we have to divide this number by this number. Because we are finding the value of a smaller number than this, we have to divide. Remember this. 64 in 6, one time divide. 4 into 1 is 4. Subtract 2, 4 will come down. 24, it is 6. 24, 4 into 6 is 24, remainder is 0. So it is 16 people. So in one boat 16 people can go. For 9 boats, how many people can travel? In 9 boats, in one boat 16 people can travel. Therefore in 9 boats, so it is 9 is greater than 1. You see, 9, this is greater than 1. 9 boats carry. So it is multiply. 16 people, or you write 9 into 16 people. After this we have the number 9. After 1 we have number 9. Number 9 is greater than 1, therefore we have to multiply. From 4 we have to find the value of people that can carry one boat. So we have divided. Here from 1 we are finding the value of 9 boats that can carry the number of people. It is 16 into 9. 16 into 9 is equal to 144 people. So you do the rough work. 9 into 6 is 54. 5 will be carried forward to the next higher place. 9 into 1 is 9 plus 4, it is 40. So the answer is 144. This way you have to do. I am going to explain one more example for you. I am going to explain question number 9. Mohan wants to donate 18 books in an orphanage. How much will he have to pay if the cost of 10 books is rupees 3,500? So cost of 10 books is 3,500. You have to find the cost of 18 such books. So you write cost of 10 books equal to rupees 3,500. Therefore cost of one book, this is bigger, this is smaller, so we have to divide by this number. This number we have to divide by this number. Remember this. So you find the value of 3,500 divided by 10. You know 3,500. 35 3 times 35 will come down. So 5 times 50. This 0. So 0 will come down. We have to put 0. 10 into 0 is 0. The remainder is 0. So it is equal to rupees 350. We have to find the cost of 18 books. Therefore cost of 18 books equal to rupees 350. This is one. We have found the price of one book. Then we are finding the cost of 18 books. So this is bigger. So we are multiplying by 18. This was bigger. We had to find the value of smaller number. That means we have to find the cost of one book, so we divided. Here we have got the price of one book. Now we have to get the price of more books. More means multiplication. You remember this? So 350 into 18, if you multiply, 8 into 0 is 0, 8 into 5 is 40, 4 is carry forward to the next higher place, 8 into 3 is 24, plus 4 is 28, 1 is 0, 5, 3, if you add it is 6300, equal to the total cost of 18 books is 6,300. So if Mohan wants to donate 18 books, it will cost him rupees 6,300. I hope you will be able to solve the questions in the review exercise. I will explain how to solve the questions. So question number 3, 8 television sets cost rupees 68,000. Find the cost of 18 such television sets. 8 television sets cost 68,000. So you find the value of one television, then you multiply the result with 18, then you get the cost of 18 television sets. This is question number 3. Question number 4, 12 apples weigh 3060 grams. What will be weight of 20 apples? So 12 apples weigh 3060 gram. To find the weight of one apple, what you have to do? You have to divide 3060 by 12. To find the weight of 20 apples, what you have to do? Whatever result you get after division, you have to multiply it. The same way you have to do the other sums. Same way you have to do. I will give you some homework and classwork. Try to do this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.